just to help also. Like trust, I'm doing everything I can on my end. Like I've been ice doing ice compress religiously, like every 2 to 3 hours, and like I rested a lot. I have an ankle support. I take my medicine properly. Kasi diba, ang lapit na. Oh my God, like, it's almost the finish line. Tapos ngayon pa ako susuko. No. How was the interview? I, it was actually really good. I feel like um, I was relaxed and I was able to talk about the things that are important to me for them to get to know me also. And 5 minutes each girl, there is a timer na pagpasok mo, magsisimula yung timer, 5 minutes. And then they just ask you a bunch of questions, five judges. Um, yeah, tapos tatanungin ka lang nila, and then you answer, and then that's it. Like nothing crazy. So it's basically like all the closed door interviews, but Hard Knocks is super beautiful. Oh my God, I can't believe it. Well, she was talking to me like I'm trying hard not to get lost in her eyes because like her eyes are just so beautiful. Yeah, Mac Tumang for both prelims and finals. Yeah, Harnas is so beautiful. She was there kanina. She asked me a few questions, and whenever I would answer, she's just smiling. So I'm like, I feel in a sense comforted also that I'm saying the right thing. It's just because she's like so beautiful and like her aura is like very friendly. I feel old dito. Parang akala ko bata, parang ang tanda ko na dito. Kasi di ba 27 na ako, and then some of the girls are like 20, 21, 22. Tapos ako parang, oh my God, am I an auntie? Of course, you will see me tomorrow, whatever happens.